Welcome. Today I will show you how to set up and pair the Mi temperature and humidity monitor. So starting off, you will need an app for it. So go into the Play Store and from here search for Xiaomi or Mi. And it's the Xiaomi home app, and as you can see it's already installed for me. So you can go back and from here just open the app. So I'm just gonna find it. And now, to connect your device, for some reason you will need a localization to be enabled, even though it connects using Bluetooth. And even if I would try to connect to it without the localization, you will get an error. And just as a fun way to show it, let's see, if I try to add it, you can see now it's blinking. So it's basically this device, and even if I would try to, it will tell me to pair it through the app, through the device app to pair with it. So if I would try to do that, and bear with me, add device, number one, it's gonna start spamming with this, so I basically forcing me to enable localization. But if I tap on cancel and try to pair the device anyway, and let's enable Bluetooth again, so you can see it's blinking, it's gonna fail anyway. So the only way to connect it is only with localizations. So let's actually go back. Not sure if it's gonna, yep, okay, so let's tap on go to settings, then permissions, and just you can only enable localization and then it will work fine. And when you tap on add device, it should show up soon here under the devices nearby. Just give it a moment. Sometimes it shows up basically immediately, sometimes it takes a little bit. Okay, so there it is, as you can see, and you can just tap on it. And now it tells you to hold the button on the back, so the gray one right here. And once you start holding it, it's gonna go into the discovered mode. Bluetooth starts blinking, and it automatically connects. Then you can just tap on done, or we'll proceed on after a couple seconds. And then you have select room, so basically which room it's located in. You can select whatever you like, or just keep it completely empty if you like to, by tapping on skip. From here, device name, by default set to the device that it actually is, but you can change the name to something that might be easier for you to remember, assuming let's say you have a couple of them or whatever. Now moving on, share device with, not really sure, so I guess it might be with like friends or whatever. I'm not exactly sure what that is for. But let's just tap on get started and agree to terms of service. And as you can see, it's now fully connected and working with the app. And then you can start like setting up different permissions and connecting with different Xiaomi smart home devices so it works in unison with it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.